Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on OPPO Pad 2. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and here click install. And now click open. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can just click sign in later. Here you can set up your data sharing preferences and you have to click confirm. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can just click not now. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. Now it asks you if you want to make notifications easier. You can just click no thanks or continue. And now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google. You can just click not now. And now you can use your Microsoft Edge just like any other internet browser. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.